Hey, so in today's video, I'll show you how you can translate this social media captions from one language to different languages. In this case, we have the social media caption in English language and we will be translating it to Spanish, French, Hindi, and German using AI. In this case, we'll be using this Google Sheets script called Multi AI Google Sheets. If you click on learn more, you will learn more about it, and you can see the pricing here. If you scroll down, this is one time pricing of $59. You can get it from here. Once you get the script, you will receive a detailed instruction on how to use it. I have already set everything up, and you can see this option here, process sheet 1, process sheet 2. You can have multiple sheets inside this Google Sheet. So let's get to it. You can see that I have the English language social media captions in the column A, and I want this is the prompt for Spanish, and I want the Spanish output in this column. Similarly for French, Hindi output, and then German, and then German output. So let me first just drag it down so that the prompts are generated for all the rows that we have. Similarly, I can drag down for French or use the keyboard shortcut Control or Command plus Shift plus down arrow and then Command D. Similarly for Hindi, similarly for German. So now that we have prompts ready, it's time to go to the settings sheet, and you can see that I have already copied my OpenAI API and I have also copied the Claude API here. First, we'll be using the OpenAI API and then GPT-4o model. So I have selected it, and you can see that we want to start processing from row number 2 until process row number 10, and we have prompt columns B. For that, output column is C, the next prompt column is D, and the output column is E. The next is F and G and H and I. You can see B and C, D and E, F and G, and then H and I. And we have a starting row from 2. Now that everything is set up, I just have to run the script and it will work. But first, let me make it a bit bigger. Yes, now I can click on this process sheet 1. Sheet 1 means it will process the data 1, setting 1, and you can see that the outputs are coming in Hindi as well, in French, now in German, now for the next row, yeah, for the next row, and it will keep going. Similarly, you can use the Claude model. You can select from here and get started. You can run the script again, and now it will use the Claude model. Apart from it, I also have this product information that I want to be translated to other language. For example, I have this product name, short description, full description, key features, technical specifications, materials, care instructions, and I want it to translate to French. In this row, Spanish, then French, then other languages. So I have written a prompt and I have included all the available information in the same prompt. I'm just saying it that please translate the following product information into Spanish. Translate each product separately and maintain the order of information as provided in the original text. Use only 6 double vertical bars. So it provides everything as here. You can see that the output is coming in the Spanish language, and all the information are separated by double this vertical bar. And then I have used a formula that splits all the available information as per the vertical bar into multiple columns. So now we have product name, short description, full description, key features, technical specifications, materials, and then care instructions in Spanish or other languages. So similarly, I can do the same for other rows that we have. If I drag it down till here, then the prompt is generated and it says that it will automatically take the language from this column. So if I show you, yeah, appropriate for a this speaking audience. Similarly for this, it says S3, which is French speaking audience. It will automatically add in the prompt. Now if I run the prompt, let me check settings 2. From row number 2 to 10, I have prompt in the I, and the output should be in the column J. Yes, correct. I will be using GPT-4o mini. Let's use this time. Let's see what happens if I run the script. You can see that the outputs are coming. I just have to drag it down. Yeah, this is Hindi language, and then it's coming in Hindi. This was Spanish again. This is again coming in Spanish, and everything is translated. If you need the output to be in any specific format, you can specify that as well. For example, if you want the key features to be in the format of, let's say, HTML, you can specify in the prompt as well, and it will do that. So that's it for the video. And if you want the script, you can get it from here. I'll put the link in the description. You can directly visit invertedstone.com and go to the AI store section and then get the script. So hope this is helpful, and see you in the next video.